What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to print from an iPad. Before you begin, make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad. iPad uses a feature called AirPrint, which allows you to send print jobs wirelessly as long as both devices are on the same network. Once your printer is ready, open the file or document you want to print. This could be a PDF in the Files app, an email attachment in Mail, or even a photo from your gallery. With the document open, look for the Share icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to bring up the Share menu. In the list of options, scroll until you find Print and tap on it. A new screen will appear showing the print preview. Tap on Printer at the top and your iPad will start searching for available printers. When your printer appears in the list, tap to select it. If it doesn't show up, make sure it's powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPad. Once the printer is selected, you see multiple print settings such as number of copies, paper size, page layout, and even printer-specific settings like color options, double-sided printing, and page range. Adjust these as needed. Then tap Print in the top right corner to start printing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.